Why is social media marketing important? The epidemic brought about many adjustments in our professional lives. Zoom has become our primary meeting space, and webinars are now a regular occurrence. The most significant change, though, was how social media became the go-to platform for learning, finding new job prospects, and growing our companies. It only goes to illustrate how important social media marketing is. This prompted many marketers to reconsider their social media marketing strategies. Marketers can connect and engage potential clients wherever they are on social media, including LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and even some of the younger networks like TikTok. Marketers can engage their audience with a solid social media strategy and the ability to develop interesting content. Social media will be a key strategy in 2023, and businesses may always improve their approach. Why is social media important for your business? Despite the fact that business-to-business firms strive to sell items to other businesses, business-to-business marketing is still based on human interactions. Social media has always been used to aid in the development of these relationships, but its significance increased last year. Business-to-business marketers required a way to connect with prospects and partners in the absence of in-person events. They discovered that social media platforms were the most effective way to accomplish this. Here are some stats showing why social media marketing is important. According to Buffer, 89% of marketers consider social media to be very important, with 30% considering it to be somewhat significant to their overall marketing plan. Every day, YouTube receives about 1 billion hours of viewing time. LinkedIn is used by 82% of business-to-business marketers for networking and creating professional contacts. They also use social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. LinkedIn accounted for 80% of social media business-to-business leads in 2017. Social media now accounts for 53% of the global population. Every second, 13 new users sign up for social media for the first time. Only 15% of individuals stated they would believe a company's official social media posts, despite the fact that 70% of adults said they trusted suggestions online from friends and family. 91% of business-to-business buyers use social media actively. 79% of job seekers use social media to look for new opportunities. In the first 10 years of their employment, however, 86% of applicants use social media for job seeking. 93% of Twitter users are willing to let marketers enter a conversation, especially if they provide assistance. Social media became even more crucial for business-to-business marketers during the pandemic. According to a 2020 LinkedIn poll of 1,200 marketers, 3 out of every 4 in business-to-business saw budget cuts, requiring them to focus more on tactical marketing aspects and short-term investments that clearly pay off. Digital networking enables teams to connect in novel ways, promote firm news through online word of mouth, and stream virtual events. Are you looking forward to social media in 2023? It is never too late to begin developing your social media strategy. Whether it's beginning from scratch or encouraging employees to establish their personal brands, social media's value has never been stronger. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our next video.